In my mind, there is nothing left to do but stay behind. Will I find what is wrong about the way I treat my kind?
So alright, now we are again in Jimbaran beach today, but our plan is we will have a seafood dinner. So later I will walk and I will buy fish in the seafood market over there, and then we will grill it in the small warung.
And we will show you how it looks, the street food,
Yes.
fish market street food in Bali, in Jimbaran.
Yes.
As Winnie said, she's carving for street food today. She wanna eat spicy, fresh fish.
Yeah.
That will be the episode about street food in Bali today. And also will be the Q&A at the end of the video, so stay tuned, guys.
Where's the love I was promised as a token from above? Mother, son.
This is how it looks, the area of the street fish market and street food. You just buy the fish and then you can grill it or fry this wherever you want. And I will show you a little bit how it looks inside. Yeah, check this out.
Sticking out the path of life for everyone. How will I know? I used to think that all it took was to pretend that life was good. If there's something more to figure out, I rarely grade the way I feel. It doesn't seem to matter anyway. Hear me what I say. Don't know why. All I see when I look out are cloudy skies. There's a fire burning deep within my heart, a bad desire. I'm ready to go on when all I need is some good advice and a shoulder to cry on. If there's something left to figure out, I know it won't be hard to see. The world will not be broken without me.
Basically that's how it looks, the fish market in Bali and the area of street food. Winnie bought the one red snapper for us for dinner, late dinner because it's 5 o'clock, but I'm gonna try to find her where she is. And that's how it looks. The area is quite a bit quiet, I have to say. Many spots was still empty, but the fish and everything is so fresh. And people are so friendly, they wanna be on the channel. So that's how it is. And Sayang is over here. She bought fish by herself to avoid the special price for me. You know, I'm white, I will have a special price. Like we made the video a few weeks ago. We will make a comparison now. Sitting already in the warung.
Yeah.
What did you order for us?
Well, actually, that when I was shopping in the the seafood market, so I bought 1.5 kilogram of red snapper. So we will have a big fish today for dinner. Actually,
I will show you soon how is the prepared on the grill. Already I can see.
So one thing about this street food, like, you know, you can go buy the fish in the seafood market over there, and then after that you can grill it in the warung surroundings.
It's
And
always
after,
fresh.
yeah, you can take away the you know, the food, or you can just eat in the warung?
Yeah, basically this is the best street food in Bali, except you have to eat the fish or seafood, but it's super good, and
Yeah.
I never get any problems with it,
Yeah.
like a stomach problem or something, you know what I mean? So it's very recommended.
Yeah, because the fish actually, or other than, you know, like sea animals like fish or oysters or shrimps, is directly coming from the beach, coming the ocean over there in Kedonganan beach, so it's very fresh.
I'm ready to go home when all I need is some good advice and a shoulder to cry on. If there's something left to figure out, I know it won't be hard to see. The world will not be broken without me. Now you'll see. In my mind, there is nothing
So our
left
food is
to
ready
do.
actually, and then now we have the grilled red snapper. Oh, that's so yum. And we have a water spinach salad. I love this one, but Damian doesn't like it. And this one, they also provide us with the 4 types of sambal. This one is with the garlic, and then this one is chili sambal, chili sauce, and this one is with the this one with the seagrass. No, not seagrass, no, lemongrass. Sorry. Lemongrass sambal. So yum. Bye. Damian finish his face. How was it?
Nice,
Indonesian food?
I like it. Not spicy.
Do you like the spicy food?
I like it. Well, I prefer if this will be served with the potato or fries or potato wedgie instead of nasi, but it's okay. At least the fish is fresh, you know. I like it.
Oh my god, look at them. Selfie with you.
Selfie with doggo. Alright guys, I have a new friends.
Look at the dogs behind us.
So cool, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, they kissing now. Oh, so nice. Okay, guys. So we're gonna make a Q&A now. Just few questions, what we remember. Sorry, no names because it's no internet here. It's working very bad. But I will remember a few questions what you ask us, especially the most frequent questions, and we will try to answer now for this. With the dogs in the background, and at the front at the front is beautiful sunset.
Yes.
So check this out. I
So
will
this
move
is
the
how
camera now.
sunset in Bali. Watch this one. Look at these dogs. I don't know who's the owner actually.
I don't know later. That is beautiful sunset. Alright, so the first question, what I remember. Do you like the spicy food? This question is to me. Damian, do you like the spicy food? I just had the fish in the fish market. Of course I like spicy food, but not too much spicy. Just gently, little bit spicy is fine, but like super spicy like rujak?
Yeah, rujak.
I will never eat this.
Yeah, rujak is the fruit salad with a Balinese sauce.
A lot of spicy, a lot of chili, and of course the sambal. I don't eat sambal, but the spicy food without sambal itself. Yeah, that was the question number one. Alright, so question number two
Question
is
number
to
two?
Winnie actually.
Okay.
And
So the question number two is that how did we meet? So how we met each other?
we met in Malaysia, in Kuala Lumpur actually.
So well, first time we met for the first time in Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. So I used to work in a company that is require me, you know, the when I work in the one company a long time ago. So the company required me to go to Malaysia for a business trip, and Damian also worked
I used
in
to
the
do some business in Malaysia.
some business in Malaysia.
Just met there and
Then
here we go.
and then
By the
we
way,
met there.
interesting fact, we also get engaged in Malaysia.
Yes.
So that's quite a special place for us.
Yeah. So
I hope so one day we can travel a little bit to Malaysia.
yeah, and then Damian travels to Bali for many times.
Many times.
Yeah, and then also, yeah, the company where Damian works long time ago also has a lots of business relation in Bali, in Indonesia.
But
so,
that was
yeah.
a long time ago.
Long time ago.
Forget about that. Look at the doggo. Question number three. I just wanna focus on this. We put like a towel and the dogs behind us playing and put all the sun on it. Okay, question number three is Winnie pregnant? Look at her tummy. Look at this.
Oh my god.
So, are you pregnant, Sayan?
No.
No, Winnie is not pregnant. Winnie just eat quite a lot.
Well, actually, that I eat lots of rice.
Yeah.
And then after eat, because I work in front of a computers for a long time, so after eat and then I eat and sit. So I didn't have a quite exercise at home, and then I was so busy, like say for 9 to 5 I have to sit in front of my computer, and
Sometimes more, sometimes at night,
more.
even at 10 or 11 o'clock. As you see, I always showing you when you're working. So that's the consequences of her big tummy.
this is not preggy.
But,
And one thing, I love to eat babi guling.
Yes,
The special food in Bali.
and rice, which
with
is
the
rice is not good
And for
the...
me, no rice, no nasi, no eating. So that's why
Yeah.
I eat lots of carbo.
By the way, look at this beautiful t-shirt that's coming from the Polish emblem. Another thing, I'm not from Russia again, sorry, but many people still thinking the same. No, I'm coming from the country, like this one, it's called Polska, which is Poland. Okay, the question number 4 is, many people also asking about the gear, what the gear we use, what the cameras we use to make a vlog. So first main camera, what I'm holding now, Winnie recording me, so you will see how it looks, how I'm vlogging every time, is the camera called Lumix G7 attached to the tripod, Joby 3K, and the microphone, external microphone, Rode. This set is like compared together is perfect for vlogging because you can do like this. It's very stable, and also you can attach to anything, even to the tree. And also when I'm driving on the bike and making the shots like driving shots, I'm using the newest GoPro 8 Black. GoPro 8 Hero, I think, something like that. Just attached to helmet or sometimes holding in my hand. So nothing super special, but I hope so you enjoy it, and now you know what gear we use.
Question
Alright guys, as you can see, it's beautiful sunset, so our face is a little bit red because of the sun. And the question number 5 and the last question for today will be what kind of visa you can use now to stay in Bali. And yeah, basically you can still use the kitas if you like spouse kitas, if you are married, or
you have a
work permits, or retired kita also, if you are
retirement kitas. Well, actually, that if you wanna stay longer in Bali, there are many types of visa. But if you are just a tourist, just come to Bali, only have you visa on arrival, only applies for 30 days, but you can extend it for another 30 days in the immigration office. But if you want to stay for let's say 6 months, you can apply a visa. It's called social visa, and then you need the Indonesian sponsor or Indonesian citizen to sponsor you.
Or you can use the agent. Of course, it's gonna be more expensive, more easier, but definitely more expensive, much more expensive. It's many ways you can stay in Indonesia, in Bali. Now is also one thing. Many people who stuck. Let's say the borders was already closed, and some people stuck. Look at the dogs. Always these dogs distract me what I'm saying.
Well, actually for those tourists who stuck in Bali nowadays, they can apply social visa online if they have Indonesian citizen as the sponsor. So they can apply by themselves, or they just go to the agent to find it how it works out.
Yeah. Alright, so Q&A is over. Don't forget, if you wanna ask us something, just comment below. We will make another Q&A next week, probably if will be enough questions. We need at least 5 questions to choose something interesting, not the same what we already told you today, obviously. And yeah. Alright guys, so that will be enough for today's vlog. I hope so you enjoyed our street food and our Q&A. Don't forget to ask us more questions, comment below.
Yeah, I think that's all our video today. This is how we chill out at in the afternoon and watching sunset. This is how Bali life. If you ask us how it is, sunset every day, beautiful sunset every day.
Chilling every day, and that's how it is. Okay, like always, new vlog at 7 PM Bali time, so something new tomorrow. Don't miss it up. Subscribe now, share, that will help us a lot. Like, comment, and see you tomorrow guys. Take care.
Bye.
See ya.